What's happening YouTube? I'm Alex and this is a very quick video on how to install RAM onto the Mac 27-inch Retina display. So this one it's I don't know, a couple of weeks old. So behind it here you're gonna remove that power cable, and there is like a button right here, so I'm gonna zoom on that button. So get something. I tried with my finger but I can't get it open with my finger. So I have one of these, so just press on this and then just lift that up. So what happens when you press this, those actually push that out. So this is what comes out, and this actually shows you very quickly how to install RAM. So you're gonna pull onto these, like pull them to the sides and lift them up, and very straightforward. Then get whatever RAM you got. So these are 4 gig sticks. So take the RAM just like that. So this side, the longer side, the left, and put it in there and just press on it slightly. Get the second one, same thing. Just put it in here and press on it for a bit. Close this up and you're all done. So just put this back and all set. I'm gonna turn on the computer and we'll check if the RAM is properly installed. So I've turned on the computer and we can see wherever each memory stick that I've put in sits, and that's it. Very straightforward. You don't really have to do anything, just open it to the back, put those in, and it's all done. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.